Guys, we're on another roller coaster and it's about to begin. Okay, this isn't really a roller coaster. Okay. Anyway, wow, this is fun. Jeez, it's actually kind of going as fast than I thought. Isn't that right, Lewis?
Hello.
Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Anyway, let's get back to this. So we got some birds and whatever the hell this is. So we got some people in front of us. We got some nice bugs. And we got me, so ooh, that looks nice. God, it's shaky. It's shaky. Anyway, we got a tree, we got this, and we got Lewis getting hurt. Oh, donkey! That's cute! Yeah! Anyway, what's that? A bug hotel. There's a bug hotel. This is so shaky. We got, what do you call the spider with eight eyes? A spider. What do you call a